The Great Wall of China, a testament to human endeavor, stretches across the landscape, winding its way through mountains, valleys, and deserts. Its story begins centuries ago, with the early Chinese civilizations seeking ways to protect their territories. In the 7th century BC, warring states sought protection from rival factions and nomadic tribes. They built walls to defend their borders, creating a patchwork of fortifications. These early barriers were the seeds of what would eventually become the Great Wall, a monumental feat of engineering. The Qin dynasty from 221 to 206 BC unified China under a single rule, bringing together various regions. They connected and strengthened existing walls, creating a more cohesive and formidable defense system. This marked the first Great Wall, a bulwark against nomadic invaders who threatened the stability of the empire. The wall was not a single structure, but a vast network of fortifications, watchtowers, and signal stations. It snaked across northern China, a formidable barrier that stood as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the Chinese people. Constructing the Great Wall was a Herculean task. Millions of laborers toiled over centuries. They used simple tools, but their ingenuity was remarkable. Earth and rubble formed the core of the wall. Stone and brick faced the structure, ensuring its strength. Watchtowers dotted the wall, providing strategic vantage points. They were used for surveillance and signaling. Fire and smoke relayed messages quickly. The wall's construction was a marvel of ancient engineering. Over centuries, dynasties rose and fell, each leaving their mark on the wall. The Great Wall of China is not just a single structure, but a series of walls and fortifications built by different dynasties over time. The Han dynasty, from 206 BC to 220 AD, expanded the wall westward. This expansion was crucial for the protection of their empire's frontiers. They aimed to protect the Silk Road, a vital trade route that connected China with the West, facilitating trade and cultural exchange. The Sui dynasty, from 581 to 618 AD, connected and fortified existing sections. Their efforts were aimed at unifying the wall to create a more formidable defense system. The Ming dynasty, from 1368 to 1644 AD, undertook the most extensive construction. They focused on rebuilding and extending the wall to protect against northern invaders. They rebuilt and reinforced much of the wall we see today, using advanced techniques and materials for greater strength and longevity. Their use of brick and stone enhanced its durability, making it a more effective barrier against invasions. The Great Wall became a symbol of Chinese power and resilience, representing the enduring strength and ingenuity of the Chinese civilization throughout history. Section 4, Guardians of the Wall, Emperors and Warriors. The Great Wall is inseparable from the figures who built and defended it. Emperor Qin Shi Huang, the unifier of China, envisioned the wall as a symbol of unity. General Meng Tian, a brilliant military strategist, oversaw its early construction. Countless soldiers stood guard on the wall, protecting their homeland. They endured harsh conditions and constant threat. Their sacrifice ensured the safety of Chinese civilization. The wall stands as a tribute to their bravery and dedication. Section 5, a barrier and beyond, shifting purposes over time. The Great Wall's primary purpose was defense. It aimed to deter invasions and control borders. However, its role evolved over time. It facilitated trade and communication. The wall became a conduit for cultural exchange. The wall served as a barrier against migration and smuggling. It also regulated taxation and trade. Its presence influenced the development of Chinese society. The Great Wall's significance extended beyond its military function. Section 6, the Great Wall today, legacy, preservation and pride. Today, the Great Wall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized globally for its historical and cultural significance. It attracts millions of visitors annually, drawing people from all corners of the world to witness its grandeur. The wall stands as a symbol of China's rich history and cultural heritage, showcasing the architectural brilliance of ancient times. Preservation efforts are underway to protect this iconic landmark, ensuring it remains intact for future generations. The Chinese government recognizes the wall's importance and is committed to its upkeep and restoration. They have implemented measures to combat erosion and vandalism, safeguarding the wall's structural integrity. Tourism revenue supports conservation projects, funding the ongoing maintenance and preservation efforts. The Great Wall remains a source of national pride and inspiration, embodying the spirit and resilience of the Chinese people. It is a reminder of human ingenuity and the enduring spirit of a civilization standing tall through the ages. Please subscribe us.